Wildfires are one of the most destructive forces of nature, capable of consuming everything in their path with little warning. When a wildfire threatens your area, the ability to evacuate quickly and safely, often referred to as bugging out, can make the difference between life and death. In this video, we're diving deep into practical survival skills and strategies for wildfire evacuation. By the end, you'll know how to prepare, when to act, and how to maximize your chances of staying safe in an emergency. Evacuation notices typically come in 3 stages, and understanding them can help you act decisively. Level 1, be alert. This is your early warning to get ready. Pay attention to local news, weather updates, and emergency broadcasts. Begin preparing your go bag if you haven't already, ensuring all essentials are packed. Identify key documents, valuables, and irreplaceable items you might want to take. Plan and communicate your evacuation route with all household members. Level 2, be set. This means significant danger is near, and you should be ready to leave at a moment's notice. Make sure your car is fueled and loaded with supplies. Account for every family member, including pets, and ensure they're ready to go. Review your evacuation plan one final time and double-check your routes. Level 3, go now. Evacuate immediately. Do not delay or assume you can wait it out. Wildfires can spread faster than expected. Follow the routes identified by authorities and avoid shortcuts, as roads may be closed or compromised. Once evacuated, don't return until you're given the all-clear by local officials. Your go bag is your survival lifeline in emergencies. Here's what you need: documents. Keep IDs, insurance policies, deeds, and other critical papers in a fireproof folder. Water, at least 1 gallon per person per day for 3 days. Food, non-perishable items such as energy bars, canned goods, and dry snacks. Clothing, sturdy shoes, a jacket, and spare clothing for changing conditions. First aid kit, include bandages, antiseptics, prescription medications, and any necessary medical devices. Tools, a flashlight, extra batteries, a multi-tool, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio. Protection, N95 masks or better to filter smoke particles, and gloves for handling hot or sharp debris. Cash, small bills in case ATMs or card systems aren't functioning. For pets, include food, water, a leash, and a carrier if needed. If you have time before evacuating, take these steps to reduce your home's vulnerability. Shut all windows, doors, and vents to prevent embers from entering. Turn off gas lines and disconnect electrical appliances to minimize fire risks. Remove flammable materials like patio furniture, doormats, and firewood from around your home. Place sprinklers on your roof and near vulnerable areas, and fill buckets or trash cans with water for firefighters. Leave a note on your door indicating that you've evacuated, so first responders know your status. Wildfire evacuations can be chaotic, so planning ahead is crucial. Children, practice your evacuation plan as a family, so everyone knows their role. Teach kids what to do if they get separated. Pets, keep carriers, leashes, and emergency pet food supplies readily accessible. Don't forget vaccination records in case you need to shelter your pet. Special needs, if someone in your household requires assistance, arrange with neighbors or emergency services for help. Vehicles, always keep your gas tank at least half full during wildfire season to avoid delays at fuel stations. Evacuating under pressure can be overwhelming, but staying calm will help you make better decisions. Take deep breaths and focus on immediate actions rather than panicking about the situation. Stick to your evacuation plan, but be ready to adapt if conditions change. Avoid congested areas and follow the routes provided by emergency services. To recap, understand evacuation levels and act promptly at each stage. Prepare a comprehensive go bag that meets your family's unique needs. Safeguard your home if time allows, but always prioritize your safety. Practice and communicate your evacuation plan with all members of your household, including pets. Stay calm, stay informed, and remember, your safety is the top priority. Take action today. Start by assembling your go bag and creating a wildfire evacuation plan with your loved ones. Walk through your plan as a family so everyone knows what to do in an emergency. Preparation is your best defense against the unpredictable nature of wildfires. Stay alert, stay safe, and never underestimate the power of being prepared. If this video helped, share it with someone who might need these tips. Let's stay ready together.